So I can see from this room screen that the room is free. I tap the new reservation button, accept the default subject, and I change the end time. I click OK and the room is now booked, and the screen has gone red to indicate it is busy. This booking will also go into the room calendar, so anyone looking at room availability from Outlook will also see the room is booked. If I wanted to extend the meeting and the room was available, I click Extend, but I'll click End. If I've already booked a room in advance, then I can check into the booking via the screen. 15 minutes before my meeting is due to start, the confirmation window will pop up. I'll click the Confirm button to check in, and this will tell the system that my meeting is going ahead. You can also scan the QR code with your phone to confirm your booking using the mobile app.